Windows is a common word in our daily work. It is the most popular OS for daily workers and gamers. But there are many magical keyboard shortcuts which can help us for fast working. 75% users do not know about these magical keyboard shortcuts, so today I will tell about these magical keyboard shortcuts. There are more than 15 magical keyboard shortcuts. Hello friends, I am Lily from MRN 180. Let's start it. Number 1. Windows plus Q or Windows plus S. It brings you search bar. W. It bring you in whiteboard. Number 3. Windows plus E. It brings you in File Manager page. Number 4. Windows plus R. It opens the Run app. Number 5. Windows plus T. It brings you in taskbar. Number 6. Windows plus U. It brings you in display settings. Number 7. Windows plus I. It brings you in settings. Number 8. Windows plus P. It brings you in project. Number 9. Windows plus A. It brings you a notification window. Number 10. Windows plus F. It opens Feedback Hub app. Number 11. Windows plus H. It opens the Cortana app's voice search. Number 12. Windows plus K. It opens the Connect window. Number 13. Windows plus L. When you press it, your PC will go to sleep mode. Number 14. Windows plus X. It opens Windows main apps window. Number 15. Windows plus C. It opens the Cortana app. Number 16. Windows plus V. It opens the clipboard. Number 17. Windows plus B. Now the bonus keyboard shortcut. Number 18. Windows plus dot. It is most magical shortcut. About 80% users do not know about it. It opens emojis window. Please subscribe our channel for motivate us. So hey there, goodbye, see you soon.